how does a stackable guide works? You do a flat, a facial, where the bone reduction guide will sit, and then use a mounting guide, sits on top of the teeth to index the bone reduction guide sits. After that, you drill for fixation pin to secure the position of the bone reduction guide. That bone reduction guide serves as a base guide for everything's gonna stack on top of it. So the next step is to extract the teeth and then chop the bone to where the bone reduction guide sits. And the next one is the stackable osteotomy guide. So even though all the teeth and whatever is all gone, this guide still sits in where it should be. Want to learn more how to make stackable guides? Here's the link for our upcoming webinar. Click the link to save your spot.